Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and investments. Today, we're tackling how to buy Bitcoin on Gemini in 2025. With Bitcoin still dominating the crypto scene, Gemini continues to be a reliable, user-friendly exchange. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, this guide will get you started in no time. First off, head to the Gemini website. It's super straightforward. Sign up with your email, create a strong password, and verify your account via email or phone. In 2025, expect enhanced security features, so make sure to enable two-factor authentication right away. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This step is essential for regulatory compliance and keeps your funds safe. Upload a government-issued ID and a proof of address, like a utility bill. The process is quick, usually taking just a few minutes to a couple of hours. Once verified, it's time to fund your account. You can deposit money via bank transfer, debit card, or even other cryptocurrencies. Keep an eye on fees, as they might vary based on your method. Aim for the most cost-effective option to maximize your Bitcoin gains. Now for the fun part. Buying Bitcoin. Search for BTC in the trading section, enter the amount you want, and review the order. Gemini's interface is intuitive, with real-time charts to help you decide the best time to buy. Hit confirm, and voila! Your Bitcoin is on its way to your wallet. A quick word of caution. The crypto market is volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Always double-check for the latest Gemini updates, as features might evolve by 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's navigate the future of finance together. Stay safe and trade smart.